Okay, hi and welcome back to Cognex Inside Vision Suite training. I will show you in this video how to use the ViDiElRead tool. It's an edge learning tool and it's based on AI, and it's there to read letters. And let's start. I opened it already. I use the filter again. You can see it here because the letters are not really easily readable. So I used sharpen, schärfen in Deutsch, and for the gain I used 6, and here I used 4. I tried to make the letters a little bit more sharp and better readable. Let's see if it works. So I start the ViDiElRead tool. My filtered image is now in A35, so I write inside here. Fixed point again is my pattern. Searching area, I will now only use these 3 letters as my searching area, because I think when my letters are so bad readable as this, and I define the whole area here, it will not find it correctly because there are other lines in my pattern which could be letters for the program. So I will search only for these 3 letters, and I will show you it also only for these 3 letters. But you could then, in the next step, you could define these 3 letters, and then these 3 letters, and then these 3 letters, and each of these will be a different model. And then it should work. Let's see. The first thing I do here is define the size of one letter. Okay, now it works. So I define the size of my letter. Okay. Maybe the N was the biggest letter. Okay. And then I can tell my program here with add, I add more frames to define letters. Now I tell my program, this is A, this is N, this is T. Then I go accept all. And then it should find the letters by itself. So you see it found only 1 letter, but it says 3 letters in 1 probe with confidence of 50%. So what we do now is go back to our program and pick the next picture and say here, okay, try to define letters again. And so we do this now for around 5-6 pictures to increase the confidence of our model. Tell him again now. Well, the letters I and T, accept all. And now I continue this with 5, 6 pictures, for example, and then see how high confident level is already. Okay, I have now 7 pictures defined. Let's see how the confidence level looks like. Oh, pretty good already. So my confidence level looks quite good. Confidence is around 90% everywhere. So what I need now is the field match. So I click here on field match, and then I have 3 lines, okay? Because INT is always 1 line, and then you see here, it tells me I found it. If I click OK now, what I get is, you can see it here, INT. If I click on Z, I get errors. If I click on other pictures, I get always back to INT. As you can see it here in my image, INT. INT. And if I go on C, add C, there is nothing because there is no letters. So I get here an error back. And also for C2, I cannot find anything because there is no letters. This is how I can recognize letters with the ViDiElRead tool. If you have time left, you can try to also implement for the other letters here this tool. So you can make one model for every 3 letter combination. So in the production, you could detect everything, not just the first 3 letters. If anything else is missing, you would detect it. What else you could do is we could detect our resistance, because here is written C106, and you could detect if it's on the plates placed correctly everywhere, and also if it's the correct resistance installed, because could be that here is maybe written B106 or something, and then it would also detect it. Because there is one part where this resistance is missing, and that's the bad B part. So if we open the picture, we can see that it's missing, and you could also try to detect this. Okay, this was how to use the ViDiElRead tool. Thank you and goodbye.